Okay, started.
Jai Gurudev.
Jai
Now,
Gurudev.
After having relaxed our muscles of the feet, the legs and the hips, we shall start with the hands. The hands are being opened while inhaling the breath, and close the hands while exhaling. You can sit in the base position or a cross-legged pose, whatever is more comfortable to you. You need to hold both your arms straight in front of the body at shoulder level. Then you close your fingers to make a tight fist with the thumbs inside. Thumbs are inside. Again open the hands and stretch your fingers completely. This will relieve anything that stops your fingers movement, and it will help in that movement very well. Open it and close it and do this exercise. You should put your thumb inside your fingers. That will press your thumb, which will also help relieve any tension, any blood stoppage of any blood circulation in your thumb and your fingers. By pressing hardly, you relieve all the tension of the fingers and they are being released. Second step is to press your finger with your thumb, which will help again relieve the pressure. The second exercise in this regard would be in respect of movement of hands in a manner that the palms are being kept open and fingers straight throughout the entire practice. Bend the hands backward from the wrist as if pressing the palms against a wall with the fingers pointing towards the ceiling. Towards the ceiling. Yeah, I say. Do not bend the knuckle joints or fingers. Bend the hands up again for the second round. Yes. Inhale with the backward movement and exhale with the forward movement. You should be aware of the breath while doing your mental counting, movement in the wrist joint and stretching of the forearm muscles. After you have relaxed your fingers and the wrist is relaxed, there would be a wrist joint rotation. You can do it with both the hands together or start with one hand only Keep your hand straight. You are extending your right arm forward at shoulder level. Make a fist with the right hand, with the thumb inside. With the thumb inside. The left hand may be used as a support if you so require. This is the starting position. You need to slowly rotate the fist about the wrist. Ensuring that the palm faces downwards throughout the rotation. The arms and elbows should remain perfectly straight and still. Make as large a circle as possible. Practice 10 times clockwise and 10 times anti-clockwise. Repeat the same with the left fist. Then extend both the arms and rotate the fist together in the same direction. In each direction, you need to practice 10 times. And the same can be repeated in the opposite direction.